Hello guys, I hope you look at well. These are Zodiac graphic element kit you can easily download from our website GFX. Here in this article you can download for free. They are not password on this winner files. These are basically winner file. You need to extract this and you will get this folder. And here this is for macOS and this is for Windows. So here is EPS element symbol Zodiac and in PNG format black gold silver. And same in Mac for Mac operating system. EPS format element symbol Zodiac and PNG format black gold silver. So this is window. You want to open the window once. Here these are in EPS format elements, you can see it. And here these are symbols. And here in PNG format. I don't wait for a PNG format to load them. The quality is good, you can see. And it's black background, so a pretty difficult to see. But as you can see, quality is good, and this file is free to download on my website GFX. I hope this data is quite useful for you. These are in gold. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also like this video. Take care.